industry analysts are predicting a shortfall of 2 million new-collar workers. So what is a new-collar worker? Labor force has been divided into two, white-collar, blue-collar. This new division, new-collar, is a description of workers who've gained highly specialized skills, technical skills, through non-traditional paths. So maybe community college or a vocational school or a certification training school like us, the Center for Technology Training. These are paths that take months to develop skills, as opposed to years, like a 4-year degree. Employers are very interested in certified candidates because they can fill those positions in months, as opposed to years, and they're specially trained for that particular job. Also, employees benefit because we know now that demand is high and supply is low. So it's a great time for salary bumps. It's a great time to achieve a certification perhaps and move up into your next level, or even a starter certification to get your foot in the door. If interested, give me a call.